is in Adelaide. Back in the capital city of Tonga, tsunami warning sirens blared as buoys placed near the volcano detected an incoming wave. 15 minutes later, a 2.5-meter or 8-foot high tsunami struck the island of Tonga Tapu. Several waves overtopped sea-facing barriers, flooding tens of thousands of structures. A tsunami warning was subsequently issued for parts of New Zealand, Australia, and Vanuatu. These waves continued for a whopping 5,000 kilometers, even causing a small 2.3-foot high wave to hit the Hawaiian island chain. As the tsunami which hit Hawaii was taller than expected, a tsunami advisory was subsequently issued for the entire US West Coast and Alaska. If you live in those areas, it means that you should not under any circumstances be in the water or on a beach. The expected 1 to 2 foot high tsunami could easily become a 10-foot high tsunami if very specific topography exists. In other words, get away from the beach, especially if the sea starts to retreat, which means that a tsunami is imminent. What was just described is a still ongoing situation, and because this is very preliminary, there's a healthy dose of we don't know yet among scientists. With this being said, here are my thoughts as to what just happened and how a tsunami was generated. The Hunga Tonga Island represents the emergent summit of a large stratovolcano which is mostly located below the ocean's surface. Its several vents are centered around a caldera. Calderas form when the magma chamber of a volcano is partially drained by a large volcanic eruption, causing the ground above the magma chamber to collapse downwards like a sinkhole. This caldera is relevant because the recent eruptions at Hunga Tonga occurred around the northern edge of the caldera. In 2008, there were 2 separate islands, but an eruption in 2014-2015 connected these 2 islands. Then, another eruption occurred in late December of 2021, expanding the island by another 72%. This latest eruption placed a massive new volcanic rock right up against the steep cliff of the caldera. Thus, the area I've marked on screen became highly structurally unstable and prone to collapse. A warning sign of events to come occurred on January 14th when a small collapse generated a 30-centimeter or 12-inch high tsunami. Then, earlier today, an estimated 0.5 cubic kilometers of rock slid into the ocean, generating a catastrophic tsunami. This landslide exposed a larger body of stagnant magma at shallow depths to ocean water, causing the water which interacted with it to flash to steam and explode. Due to the amount of magma present, this generated a sustained eruption plume, an eruption type used to describe the most energetic eruptions, a Plinian eruption. Based on the evidence available, I estimate that today's eruption will be rated on the volcanic explosivity index as a 4, indicating an eruption similar in size to the 1902 eruption of Pele in Martinique. Due to the vast quantity of falling ash, the day seemingly turned to night across much of Tonga. In the upcoming hours to weeks, more smaller tsunamis are quite likely, so residents should stay away from the shoreline. When this eruption is over, I either expect a large U-shaped crater to be present on the island of Hunga Tonga or for the middle section of the island to be completely gone. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to request a specific topic, please leave a comment below. Additionally, I would like to thank my